Actually, dalawa, no? Una, kinakailangan pasalamatan natin yung Indonesian government, no? Nung kami nasa Lapu-Lapu City, may binabanggit yung kasama nating Indonesian Police Attaché na may developing silang tinatrabaho in relation to Alice Guo. So obviously the Indonesian police and the Indonesian immigration have been on the on the trail of Alice Guo. So we have to thank them. Second, from the Philippine side, Christian, I will be remiss if I would not say thank you to the people of the Bureau of Immigration. No? Kasi they've been almost on a 24/7 basis sa pakikipag-ugnayan sa kanilang counterparts doon sa Indonesia. Christian, bear in mind, wala pa itong blue notice, wala pang red notice. So all that we have as a basis to get her is an immigration violation on the part of Indonesia. So thank you to Commissioner Tansinko and his team.